So Jason, what do you make it?
Here we got some broth. It's a mixture: chicken, pork, and lamb broth with some vegetables in there. It's been cooking for a few days. Yep.
This is the outside cook station?
Yes, this is the outside cook station because not everybody likes the overwhelming smell of broth for days on end.
Jason, could you tell us about the water here?
Yes, sure. There's water connected to here. My dad helped me fix a lot of the water on the property, so now we have water coming over to here, to our sinks. These will be our wash station. They're bolted to the ground, or to the boards here, and that's a drain. That's where we...
And this is your hot water tank?
This is our hot water tank, yes. It gets a job done.
Okay, now explain the solar tank here.
Solar tank, yes. Well, there is a tank under here which has water in it, and there's some hoses, and they go out to a pump here, which pumps the water through these hoses, which are inside of this greenhouse-like structure.
And what material is this?
This is some PVC pipe, tubing, plastic tubing. And this acts as a greenhouse to keep in the heat, so it gets really hot inside of here, heats up the water that's going and circulating through the tube, and the water goes back and fills up that bucket over there.
And then it's...
And then we can have a shower.
Yes, but no shower yet. It goes and it can be redirected to different areas through this hose.
Yeah, so we can use that in the sink or in our future shower.
Oh, here. Yeah. Okay.